My dear students, my dear friends, Namaskar, Ashirwad, best wishes and good morning. Today we will discuss about depression, that is Nairashya, and how to overcome this depression. I am Professor Mahadev Gaidhane, retired electrical engineering professor having 37 years experience field and teaching after BA and MTech from VNIT Nagpur. My mobile number is 84461 85409. So start depression and how to overcome depression. Dear friends, what is depression? Depression is basically a disturbed, inactive state of mind where our man, buddhi, ahankar and chitta are not properly working, and because of that our karmendriyas and jnanendriyas, they work with some distortion, some spikes, with some harmonics. So there is complete imbalance. It is the state of like Arjuna or Kurukshetra. Dear friends, if this happens, then what is to be done? Then visualize Kurukshetra, Arjun, Lord Krishna. Concept of visualization. First you try to visualize who am I, what for I am here, what are my duties, what are my liabilities, what are my constraints, and what I have to do. What are the various elements from which I have been made. Then it is observed that we are made from basically Prithvi, Jal, Agni, Vayu, Akash, हाथ, पाव, वाणी, उपस्थ बुधा, नाक, कान, आंखें, जीभ, त्वचा, स्पर्श, रूप, शब्द, रस, गंध, मन, बुद्धि, अहंकार, चित्त, and Atma. These are the various elements from which we are made. What is the meaning? What is the inference? That means we are very much different from others. मैं हूँ, आप है, वो है. So our parameters are different, our constraints are different, our limitations are different, our boundaries are different, our fate is different. Adhishthanam tatha karta karanancha pruthavidam. That means our faith is different, we are different. Means whenever there is complete difference, means there is no concept of comparison, competition, inferiority complex, what people will think about me. These words are out of syllabus, out of dictionary. Dear friends, so accept this, that I am different, my fate is different, and after that you realize the basic truth. You are born, it was not in your hand. Your departure is also not in your hand. So now what is in your hand? This span. So here we have to work hard, work hard, work hard. करेक्ट. जान है तो जहान है, जब तक है जान जाने जहाँ, मैं नाचूंगा, मैं कर्म करूँगा. लॉर्ड कृष्णा हैज़ टोल्ड अस कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्मफल हेतुर्भुर्मा ते संगस्त कर्म नहीं. कर्म करते जाओ विदाउट बॉदरिंग आउटपुट, विदाउट बॉदरिंग एनी रिजल्ट्स. यू डोंट बॉदर अबाउट constraints, boundaries. Whatever boundaries are existing there, if all these boundaries are beyond control, don't bother. Only thing is that commitment, dedication, willpower, hard work to perform your duties, that is Karma Yoga. Try to become Karma Yoga. Dear friends, whenever you are working hard without bothering all these things, develop, God is there, God sees. Develop this concept of faith. Existence of God, technically it has been proved. यत्र योगेश्वर कृष्णो यत्र पार्थो धनुर्धर पंगु लंघयति गिरि मुखम करोति वाचालम पंगु लंघयति गिरि. God is there, He helps us, He is all the time with you, with us. Only thing is that we have to pray, we have to work hard. Once faith is there, develop this confidence. Yes, I can do anything. जैसे बीज में वृक्ष छुपा और चकमक में आग, हमारा कॉन्फिडेंस हमारे में है तो जाग सके तो जाग। विद दैट खुद ही को कर बुलंद इतना कि खुदा आपसे पूछे बोल तुझे उतारूँ कैसे नीचे। दैट कॉन्फिडेंस यू हैव टू डेवलप। लहरों से डरकर कभी नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। डियर फ्रेंड्स, सूर्य से हम तेज पाए, चंद्रमा से मधुरता, पृथ्वी सी सहन शक्ति हो, शुभ्र जल सी स्वच्छता, वायु की गति हो हमारी ध्येय तक पहुंचा सके और हम अच्छे नागरिक या अच्छे स्टूडेंट बन सके। धन्यवाद धन्यवाद धन्यवाद। उत्तिष्ठ जागृत प्राप्य वराणि बोधता। अवेक, कीप अवेक एंड रियलाइज द इनर सेल्फ। ओके ओके।